So in this question, it is asked that if concentration of fluorine ion is up to 1 ppm parts per million, then which of the following may be correct option? First, it is good for teeth. Second, it is not good for teeth. And third, it is harmful for both bones and teeth. And fourth is harmful for growth of children. So soluble fluoride is often added to drinking water to make concentration of up to 1 parts per million because fluorine ion makes the enamel of tooth much harder, but above 2 ppm cause brown mauling of teeth, causing harmful effect on bones and teeth. So if it is less than 1 ppm, it is good for teeth, but when it is greater than 2 ppm, it is bad for teeth. So the answer is first, good for teeth.